I have 3 leaves with me today. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3. Now I want to ask you, which leaf is the biggest one? Is it this one? No. How about this one? No. And this one? Yes, good job. Now I want to ask you, which is the smallest leaf? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yes, it is. Good job, guys. Now, I want to see if I can use my 3 leaves and make a line from the biggest one to the smallest one. So, which one's the biggest one again? This one? No. This one? Yes, so this is the biggest one. And then, which one do you think must come next? Is it the smallest one or the middle one? It's the middle one. And then which one's going to go right on the end? The smallest one. So we've got 1, 2, 3 leaves. And they go from the biggest one down to the smallest one. Now I've got 3 sticks, and I want to ask you, which one is the longest stick? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. What about this one? Yes, that's the longest stick. Now, which one is the shortest stick? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No, this is the longest one. Is it this one? Yes, good job. Now we're going to make a line with our sticks like we did with the leaves from the shortest one to the tallest one. So which one was the shortest one again? Was it this one or this one? It was this one, so the shortest one's going to go in front. Then what comes next? Is it this one or this one? It's going to be that one. It's just a little bit taller. Let's have a look. Only a little bit taller. And then last, right at the end, is going to be the long stick. It's going to move them down a bit. Now, I want to ask you, which stick is longer than the middle stick? Which one is longer? It's this one. See, it's bigger, it's longer. And then which one is shorter than the middle one? It's this one. This one's shorter. Good job. Now, we've been talking a lot about the number 3 today. We had 3 leaves and we had 3 sticks. I think it's time we start learning how to write the number 3. Time to learn how to write the number 3. So we've got our house, and I'm going to show you how to write the number 3. Now the number 3 doesn't start here by the roof. He sort of starts in the middle somewhere between the cupboard and the roof. And he's got 2 bubbles. So he's got 1 bubble that goes to the roof and comes to the cupboard. And then, we're not allowed to pick up our pencil. We've got another bubble that goes out from the cupboard and round to the floor. Can we try that again? Remember, it's not touching the roof. So we're going to make 1 bubble and another bubble. Wow! So we've learned how to write the number 3. Now we're going to learn how to write the word number 3. So we're going to start here at the top. and we're going to go down, 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 and make a hook at the bottom. And then this letter's got short little arms. This is called a Tommy Tall. We're still going to learn about Tommy Tall. Then the next letter we're going to learn about soon is called a Huberta Hippo. And it's got a straight line down to the ground and a little hump. Then we're going to do a Rugby Roy. We'll learn about him also, hopefully soon. Rugby Roy with his hat. Then number 3 has got 2 Ellie elephants at the end. Remember, I hope you've been practicing your Ellie elephant. You go out and go up to the cupboard and down to the grass. And out, up to the cupboard and down to the grass. There we go. There's the word number 3. Let's practice number 3 together. Remember, the number 3's got a bubble and then another bubble. So let's try. I'm going to use blue. You can use any color you like. So we've got a bubble. I'm not picking up my crayon. It must stay on the paper. And another bubble. I want to try that again with a different color. I'm going to use red. And we've got a bubble. I'm not picking up my crayon, and another bubble. Good job. Now at the bottom, I'm going to practice the word. This takes a lot of practice to learn how to write this word. It's mostly important to learn and practice the number 3. So we've got a Tommy Tall, a Huberta Hippo, Rugby Roy, and Ellie Elephant. So we can practice it like this, or if mommy and daddy say it's okay, I'm going to send you this one. And it's very easy. It's lots of good practice. So at the top, like we do at school, I want you to write your name. If it goes over the side, don't worry. See, look there. Mine's going over this part. Don't worry about that. Okay. Then there's lots of dotty number 3's we can practice on. See, it doesn't start right at the top by the dot. It starts in the middle. So you go one bubble and another bubble. One bubble and another bubble, and you can practice all of them by yourself. Then there's no more dotted lines for you to work on, so now we're going to do it all by ourselves. See how many you can make. Bubble and another bubble. Oops, that one's a bit skew. Remember, you mustn't make him fall over like this. Uh-oh, he's fallen over. So if you make a mistake, remember, we just take a crayon and cross it out. Remember, he mustn't fall over. And we can make the number 3. Good job. Now, this one you're just going to color in for me. They're almost all the same, just Tommy Tall's a little bit different. So I want you to color that in for me. Then at the bottom we've got blocks, just like we have in our number books at school. And remember, in these blocks, we make one dot in each block. So if we're learning the number 3, how many dots must we make? 3. So 1, 2, 3. And there we go. And the last thing you can do is color in your 3 stars.